Hello, if you can hear me, kindly put a one in the chat. Hello. Hello. So, hello, please, if you can hear me, kindly give me a one in the chat. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Great, great. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, then I think from here, we can proceed. Absolutely. So, you are all welcome, and I really acknowledge your patience and your zeal that you've shown whilst I was having this technical issue. And thank you all for still hanging around. And I really, really appreciate your presence. Thank you. So, without wasting my time, uh, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome each and every one. Your health, your all, you are welcome. Felix Awuzi, you are welcome. Fulera, you are welcome. Laura Achon, Boss Lady Laura Achon, you are welcome. Boss Lady Enyo, you are welcome. Um, Life Raw, TS Solution Limited, you are welcome. Christiana, if you are Wellington, you are welcome. And of course, you are all welcome. You are all welcome to this presentation. And I will quickly go straight to add the slide. So once you can hear me, we will proceed from here. Sorry for the delay. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the service of God Backup. Ladies and gentlemen, God Backup is providing each and everyone here a service. Whether the person joins today, the person is getting that service right from the go. Whether you've been here for months or even more years, God Backup is giving you that kind of service that I'm going to talk about, and even with more other valuable stuff added to it. So let's quickly go straight into it. So God Backup is giving you what we call the top-notch security, and it comes with a whole lot of benefits. Now, what is the top-notch security anyway? Let's go into it. Now, if I probably think that each and everyone here might have had a chance to watch this video. It's called a product video. That's the God Backup organization did, which talks about the security around your data. Please, if you've not watched, I will humbly ask you to go back and go and watch it. It's a powerful video. So basically, this video is what I'm going to try and digest into it for each and everyone here to understand the value of what we have. Now, God Backup is having what we call DigiSet. Now, what is DigiSet? DigiSet is a certification that is given to a company to certify that anybody who is dealing with them should be rest assured that their information is secure. Now, there are other companies that has DigiSet. A company like Tesla X, which belongs to this man, Elon Musk, has DigiSet. Amazon has DigiSet. Facebook also has DigiSet. So that tells you how credible God Backup is. So we are talking about the security service God Backup is giving us. And then the security service, it has what we call DigiSet. And DigiSet is to give us the assurance that your files, your data, remember, God Backup is not even keeping up only your data, it is also keeping your credit card information. So credit card information, whether you're making payment to God Backup or God Backup is actually paying your commission, God Backup, there's a protection that governs all these to make sure that nobody would have the chance to go into your information. God Backup also gives what we call the SSL or TLS, 100% secure service, and the transaction. These are multi-layers added on to the other security that we usually present during our business opportunity presentation. So the TLS, what the TLS does is when your information is leaving your device, your laptop or smartphone, and is going to the cloud, there's a tendency that hackers can have the opportunity to um, hack your information or even hack information to your credit card. But what God Backup has, this security does is that it protects it and it makes sure that nobody can actually have access to your information when it's in a cloud, when it's on the way to the cloud, and of course, when it's on your machine, your laptop, or your phone. Once you connect to the internet, and it makes sure that this security engulfs it. And also, God Backup gives what we call the AES bit 256 patented military script encryption security. Now, this sort of security is not security. Very, very top-notch security. Now, this type of security is used by the United States of America government. So that tells you how powerful this security is. That tells how powerful this security is. Now, what it does is that this security is the basic. Is the last time Boss Enyo did a training on your back office, and and she elaborated on the security about this. So the security is about having almost about 256 different layers, And according to research, it will almost take about 18 years for someone to be able to crack the code. That tells you how powerful the security around God Backup is. God Backup also, and with this security, what it does is it ensures that you and only you have the key. It's not even the organization. The organization does not even have the key. They don't even have the key to actually see what is inside your data. It is you that have ultimate control over your data. So you are in ownership of it. Anything about you is you. They encrypt your information, and once it's in a cloud, it is encrypted, and even in whilst it's also leaving your device to the cloud, it's also in an encryption form, meaning it's in a different language. Let's say you don't know how to speak Chinese, and your information has been translated into Chinese. You can't speak it. That is exactly what God Backup does. So you have absolute control over it. Now, God Backup also give you what we call the sync, auto sync. You set it once and for all, and you forget it. Now, what it does is that it's able to sync your past current and future data. Let me give you one scenario. About last week, I went to my cloud and I was going through my stuff, but I saw some documents, some pictures, some document. I was like, where from this document? There were dates on it, dates like 2021. So I was like, where from this? It's like I didn't do this. So I said, let me go into the data and see what is actually in there. And guys, when I went in there, these were videos that I took about, that was about the graduation of my daughter. That was 2021. And when I saw the videos, I laughed because I wasn't expecting GotBackUp to do that. I didn't know that such information was actually on my phone. So that is the powerful the security GotBackUp is giving each and everyone. Great. So I've talked about this. So let's move on. So now, GotBackUp, the benefit that's in summary, the benefit about the security that surrounds the GotBackUp is that your data is encrypted. You have multiple device support. So you could, I have a laptop which is Windows, and I have a phone, Android phone, and probably those on this call, some are using as iPhone or any other phone. Now, GotBackUp, that's what it does, is it's unlimited. Irrespective of the operating system, you can back up your information on all these devices. So multiple device support, you can access your files anywhere, auto sync, the security is top notch, and you take absolute control ownership of your data, and you chooses who you want to share with it. The CEO, even the CEO of this company has no access to your information. So this is about the video I talked about. So let's move on. Now let's talk about the service, about the storage plan data, secure data storage plan. What are the secure data storage plan that GotBackUp offers? So we have the personal, which is 1 terabyte. Then we have the family, which is 6 terabytes, and then we have the enterprise. That one is 20 terabyte. So these are the cloud space that GotBackUp offers. Very good. Now the personal, if you look at, if you check with the personal, has no what we call reseller option. So in terms of, maybe you have a prospect who doesn't want to be in the project that we are doing, but the person just needs the cloud. The person can opt for the personal. That gives that person a 1 terabyte, and the cost is 8.97 monthly. Okay, or the person could opt for 89.90, which is yearly, and of course it gives you 2 months for free. The enterprise is 599.70 for the whole year, and it also gives you 2-month free subscription, and also comes with a reseller option. Very good, just like the family package. So let's move on. So GotBackUp also, now currently we know that about some months ago we used to have the older version of our cloud system, but now it has been improved. So now the improvement, now it is about 10 times faster than the previous. And the good thing is that GotBackUp currently is saving the old and the current as well. The old information that you back on the old cloud is still safe, and then there's a current one which is still in the try process. What the rationale is to make sure that before they totally move to the new one, the service has been improved and all the feedback has been corrected, all the bugs, that's what they used to go, has been corrected, and this product is on the verge to fly to any other aspect of the world. And it comes with the mobile apps, and of course the Mac and then the Windows apps. You can check it at your back office. So GotBackUp also allows you to have what you call document collaboration. So you can actually create document like Word documents PowerPoint, spreadsheet with GotBackUp. Photo collaboration, you can also create a photo and share with someone that you want. It also allows you to have what you call a chat. You can chat with someone with GotBackUp. If the person is also a member of GotBackUp, GotBackUp allows you to share your information with that person and even chat with the person as well. So this is a bit of the cloud. This is the desktop version of the cloud app. So you can actually see the space that I've used so far. When I took this has been a while. Now there's more information, so it has moved from that stage to other stage. So that is the cloud. And if we have the mobile apps as well, so GotBackUp is providing you with the security, it's providing you with the app services, and this is a great value for money. So here I was comparing the mobile app with the desktop app or the desktop, the Microsoft app. So you have the mobile app here, then you have the desktop app here. Very beautiful. So this is one aspect of how to get into your cloud. You log in by putting your username. It actually the same username that you have like logging into your back office. The same username you are going to use as well as the password. So it's very important that you keep your password and username safely. Remember it like the way probably you remember your date of birth or a special event that you are so passionate about. You have to keep it very, very safe because it allows you to be able to log into your back office and also allows you to log into your cloud service to see the stuff that you backed up, your pictures and all other documents. So this is a background of my stuff that I've backed up with GotBackUp. These are basically music. These are musical files. Because of my network, I wanted to do a demonstration, but I'm afraid because of my network, even starting, I was having a bit of challenges. But I wanted to share my screen with you so that I have a look at it. But I'm afraid. So probably maybe next time we look into that. Very good. We look into that. Yes, very good. So that is that. And let's talk about the compatibility. GotBackUp is so compatible, irrespective of the operating system that you are using. So you could be using Windows or Apple, Ubuntu, or the latest version of Apple, okay? And then Android. So GotBackUp allows you to back up all your information, irrespective of the operating system that you have. This is really amazing. This is really value for money. So you can back up all your cloud or all your information to the cloud, whether it's on the laptop, on the iPad, on your smartphone, on your desktop. Anywhere that you are, even if the device is not for you and you want to access some information, which I did about two weeks ago, I was able to log into my account using my workplace computer, and that's very, very good. So GotBackUp also allows you with some of these features. You can sync multiple computers. Yes, provided the computers are for you. You can sync multiple computers. Yes, you can also, GotBackUp has what we call file visioning. What it means is that it keeps files. Supposing you are working on a file and you're not done saving and something happens to it, GotBackUp automatically syncs that file into the cloud for you. So the next time you open, you see that a pop-up of that file will show. And it can save that file for you until you have decided, it's saved for about 30 days, until you have decided to, now maybe you want to edit it or you want to delete it. So it keeps various version of that particular file for you for about 30 days. And then no file type restriction. So you can have a PDF file, you can have music file. You can have MP3, MP4, spreadsheets. These are all various files, document. These are different files. God Backup is compatible to be able to store all these files. That's why I say no file type restriction. It allows to store all these files for you. That tells you how powerful the kind of thing that we have in our hands. This is really a diamond, and it stores. The last time Dr. Ko used to talk about that, when you delete a file, it appears that the file is still there. So it restores deleted files. That one takes almost about 30 days of course. The files that you've deleted, it doesn't leave. It still stays there for some time, for about 30 days. And after 30 days, then it goes off automatically. So that tells you how powerful um, God Backup service is. And also, you can also stream live, stream your music, stream your movies. For the music aspect, I've tried a couple of times. I play a lot of music on my phone, but those music are on my laptop. I play it on my phone. So that is the streaming live. You can also stream live your movie. So you can try it. You can try it one of these days. And it also allows you to have what we call multiple data centers. So what it means is you can access your information anywhere, irrespective of the browser. Maybe you're using Google Chrome. You can use Google Chrome to access it. You can also use Windows Edge. These are all multiple browser that GotBack allows you to access your information. And of course, the 30-day money back guarantee is assured. And it gives you what they call 24/7 support. Those who have used the support system will testify to that. I've used it a couple of times, and they always reply, and they'll always make sure that issues concerning payment, anything is resolved. And boss lady Enyo is one of them. She can she can tell you what she went through about some payment of commission and what she did and all that. Support was there to support her. They were giving her live chat, both email and all that. That tells you the kind of services God Backup is providing. So this is also back to my cloud, my files. So over here you can see I was sharing a file with someone. So you can share a file with someone if you know the person's email address, or you can send a person a link. That is also beautiful. You can also create a note. So this I create this note. This is a one of Dr. Ko's quotes. He said that I hope I can read it. It's very small. He said, "Do nothing." Let me see. Uh, let me see if I can read it. It's very small, but I'll try as much as possible and read it. It's a favorite quote of that I really love. Sakyi has been saying that. So let me see. He said, "Until what you know becomes what you do, you don't know anything. Until what you know becomes what you do, you don't know anything." I I type this quote, this short note in my cloud, and it's still there. You can italize, you can bold it. This is very beautiful. God Backup allows that. I talked about the fact that you can have Word document presentation, you can save it at cloud, and God Backup allows that. And that's my cloud service. The EA stands for my name, initial, that's Ivan CJ, and all the device, my email account is there, everything. God Backup is allowing to see everything. Nothing is hidden, everything is transparent. You can also share your files with anyone on Facebook, LinkedIn, the social media handles. You can share a file with anyone on the social media handles. That tells you how powerful Twitter and any other person that you choose to share a file with. That's very beautiful and powerful. This is the value that we have in our hands. And also you change the preference of your cloud, the background. The background. Currently, I'm using this background. You can change it, set it to your own satisfaction. The one that you prefer, that oh, this one is what I want. So there are various um, what do you call the background. There are various of them. You have one, two, three, four, five. About five of them. You can change it to suit you. Yes, and God Backup also allows you to what you call uh, um, what you call availability. These are all in your cloud. Time zone. It allows you to set a time zone. So I went through have time zone for almost all the countries in the world. We have Accra, Ghana. We have Abidjan. We have Bamako. We have you can Honolulu. All of these names are there. You can set the time zone, and you can also add this to your to-do list. God Backup allows you to have this to your to-do list, so it can send notification to people that you want to share something with, and of course, it can also share notification to you as well. So you can see over there you have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. You can set all the things that you want to do, your appointment, maybe presentation, you have to do this, you have to meet this person. You can do all that with your God Backup service that you have. That tells you how powerful God Backup is. It means that we have value for money. So in terms of the money aspect, we are even paying for like backing up our file, but God Backup has added all of these things to us to see what the value it carries. This is really, really brilliant. So that's over there. I went in to change my time zone. So I set it to Accra. You can see we have Accra, we have Abidjan, we have Addis Ababa, OGS. All these countries' names and their capital are there. And you can also set it maybe to-do list, as I stated earlier on. Very, 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 very powerful. God Backup is really, really powerful. And guys, this aspect has to do with this aspect has to do with yes, the device that you've used to access your cloud. God Backup gives you instant information on it. So the first device, a desktop device, this one is a device I use at my workplace. So it was giving me, and as at that time, my phone was connected. So it was also giving me information about my phone. My phone was also connected. It gives you the security. So the security is top-notch security. It gives us that kind of security um, with it. And also people who want to merge their files. You know, people have files already with Google or Dropbox. God Backup allows you to merge. The Dropbox, you need, I think you need a token. You need a token, I guess. Yes, you need a code. You need an access code for the Dropbox. And for the Google, you just need to log in with your account. So there's a place you just log in with your account, and then all your files, all your documents that are seated at Google will be migrated to your God Backup cloud. This is really, really powerful. So there's no need for you to go and download one after the other and then you back up with your God Backup. No, no, no. You go to your migration. These are all features which are embedded in your cloud service. The cloud service God Backup is providing. You go take your time and go through step by step. You get all this. We call the migration port. When you get there, it allows you to, once you set it, you enter your Gmail account. Every file, your pictures, everything, your pictures and your audio files, your probably your books that you've saved at Google will be migrated all the way to your God Backup cloud for you. This is really simple. Life has been made so simple for us. Very, very good. So I will speed up. And of course, God Backup is also giving us what we call the virtual office. The last time, Boss Lady Enyo walked us through the back office, and I love that training. So, guys, those who have that training, who have not watched that training, I will encourage that you go back and watch it. Dr. K also has done that. A lot of the leaders have done that. Chris and Tommy, they've done that. And of course, our CEO, Deuterian, usually always keep doing that. WhatsApp through the back office. There's a lot of stuff with the back office, and GotBackUp is providing us this service of of the virtual office. Very, 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 very powerful. So, and of course, there's so much at our back office, but I'll just talk about the emailing system. Why am I passionate about the emailing system? The emailing system is top-notch emailing system because it allows you to add a picture, you set emails, and the emails will leave. You don't have to type the name of the recipient. You just type the code, and full name, and you set it that it should leave at the end of every month or the time that you prefer, and these mails will leave for you. This is so nice. But the good thing about it is that GotBackUp actually is not charging anybody on this. Now, guys, I've talked a lot about this. Let's sit down and talk. Let's ponder about these things. Just look at the amount of money we are just paying for the cloud backing up of information. But look at the aspect, the things around it. There's so much stuff around it. That tells you there's value for money with GotBackUp. That tells you there's value for money with GotBackUp. So the emailing system is part of our virtual office, which is really powerful. So I want to talk about that. But there's so much at our back office. There's so much at our back office that GotBackUp is providing. And the emailing system is for free. And then let's talk about the VIP. VIP, you have the video bar. You have the video bar where it allows you to record your own videos and share it on all your social media handles. Yes, the video bar is really the VIP is really powerful. It's really, really powerful. It makes you more authentic because it adds it adds class to your back office as well. Last time boss Enyo did that training, I was like, wow, there's so much to learn with GotBackUp, so much to learn. GotBackUp has actually added so much on us now. Now we are learning other things to our profession, and it's making us more great. So we have what we call personal promo links. Personal promo link. You know, I check on the internet. We have some companies that only provide personal promo links, and they charge more. They charge more than what GotBackUp is giving. And then also we have what we call customer domain link. I wouldn't go into it. There's so much information. If I should go into it, we are not going to finish today. So customer domain link. These are all the services GotBackUp is providing. The VIP, those on the VIP one that will attest to this. Those on the VIP will attest to this. So guys, that is it. And so in all this, indeed, GotBackUp is making cloud storage wonderful. We can all attest to that. That GotBackUp is indeed making cloud storage really, really powerful. We have diamond in our hands and a better backup plan that puts l'argent in our pockets and making people smile. So at this very, very moment, I'll say a big thank you to each and everyone. Thank you to each and everyone because right from the beginning I was having some technical challenges, but you've been persistent, you've been here till now, and I really applaud you for your patience and your support. Thank you all, thank you so much. So let me say a big thank you to Samuel Osei, Boss Lady Enyo, thank you for all your comments. Boss Dr. Fidel Rahman, Doc, I salute you. Your last training was powerful. You did so well. Doc, I salute you again. Thank you all. I'm Bemo Ernest. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Dorothy Hansen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Roland Okante. Boss Lady Fullera, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Osei Ellis, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patience. So at this very moment, I say, let's be more with GotBackUp. because God Backup has more value. What we are paying for, guys, we are paying for something that is giving us more stuff. It's giving us more stuff, and I can really assure you that if you should take our time and go through what we have with God Backup in terms of the cloud service, the security, the app service, the 24/7 support system. There's so much. We have value for money. Thank you. Let's have an awesome night. Bye.